With the current state of the economy, you find out that big multinationals are looking for how to cut down costs and be able to still remain relevant and make profit. This is a big lesson for small business owners. So the question is, what lessons can you take away from what they are doing that can help you in your small business? For example, there is this news this week in Nigeria that Nestle is moving away its raw material sourcing closer to production facilities. So before now, Nestle used to import corn starch that it uses in many of its products, but because of difficulties in foreign exchange sourcing and of course so many other issues, the company is looking at how to use local alternatives to be able to cut costs. So the company is looking at replacing corn starch with cassava and helping local suppliers to increase capacity and improve quality. This is something that you really need to think about as a small business owner. With the issues of rising costs, how do you remain relevant? How do you remain profitable? How do you continue to do business in a way that of course can help you make more profits? So looking at what the big companies are doing, can you look at where you source your goods, your products, where you source your raw materials for your business? Look at alternatives that can help you do business in a less expensive way and of course boost your profits. So think about it. This is something that is worth looking into because you must make profit as a small business owner. Nestle is not the only one looking at all of these options. Even Unilever, a competitor to Nestle, is also doing the same. So if the big companies are doing things like this, that means you as a small business owner, you actually need to consider how to be able to realign your business in the light of current reality. So for every input in your business that is being imported, are there local alternatives? If there are, why not explore those alternatives? Yeah, in the days ahead, things are going to get more interesting. The outlook on the economy does not suggest that things are going to get any better any soon. So as a small business person, you look at your cost structure, you look at your source of your raw materials, your products, you look at how you can be able to cut costs and of course be able to still make profits even in the midst of the economic challenges. That's the message we have for you today, that you can still remain profitable even in the light of the current economic realities. My name is Charles Mahiwe. I'm your business coach. We'll be talking about a lot of this in the days ahead so that we can look at, explore with you together how you can remain relevant, remain profitable, remain in business, continue to do what you know how to do best. Thank you for being part of the program today. I wish you all the best. Good luck.